paddleboarding. Shit is fucking lame. Like if you saw me out there paddling my paddleboard, you would think I get no huzz. So in today's video, we're going to be taking this 72 volt powertrain, putting it in this paddleboard so we can actually get some huzz. You know, I'm just joking. Women are actually scary as fuck, but we're still going to build this bitch. Let's do it. First things first, motor mount. Bad idea.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim.
Alright, now that the motor mount is done for the most part, we can go ahead and move on to building the frame and the paddleboard.
I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California." Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind is Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She called friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, "Please bring me my wine." He said, "We haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California." Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. They're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, they pink champagne on ice. And she said, "We are all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers, they're gathered for the feast." They stab it with
Alright, I can already hear all of you guys saying right now, Colin, there's no way those little ass wood screws and door hinge are going to be able to handle 72 volts. And you would be right. You're about to see it did not last long.
Is it recording? I don't see anything.
It is recording, yeah.
follow full. You're gonna dump me and you're falling in the water.
Oh crap. I broke the weld on it.
Yep, so snap that weld right there. And this actually isn't even my first time out. My first time out, I didn't get it on video, but the wood screws like broke, fell out, and I almost lost the motor in the water. So yeah, I redesigned everything. I didn't get it on video. This is what it's looking like. It's all metal. Everything's routed better. Came up with a steering mechanism using some paracord and a little handle that works really well. And yeah, now you guys are gonna see it how it sits now. I also did build a trailer for it, just so I can get it to the beach and back a lot easier.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the lights. There were plants and birds, rocks and trees. There were sandy hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, I was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of a river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. After 9 days, I let the horse run free, 'cause the desert had turned to sea. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The ocean is a desert with its life underground and a perfect disguise above. Under the cities lies a heart made of brown, but the humans will give no love. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain.
Alright, well we are out on the 72 volt paddleboard.
I got into a little bit of a calmer area so I can actually talk. But yeah, things pretty cool. We're using a Flip Sky motor controller setup on here, and then I have my Amorg 72 volt 40 amp hour out of my Razor, which you guys saw me take out. Overall setup's pretty cool. It doesn't go as fast as I would like it to, and power is not the issue. It just cavitates. I'm not sure how well the camera picked it up, but I could give it a lot more power and it would just cavitate. So I need to mess with some prop setups and some hydrodynamics and stuff like that, which I don't know anything about, so it's just hit or miss. But yeah, if I put a little bit more work into it, get a new prop, I could probably actually get up on plane with this thing, which I honestly don't think I really want to. It's already plenty fast as it is. It gets me where I want to go. It's light enough that I can tote with the bike, no issue. And was relatively cheap to build. So yeah, I'm going to put the mic away and ride this thing a little bit so you guys can kind of see what it's like. Into the wind, 9.5 miles an hour, almost 10, but not quite. Maybe going downwind we'll hit a little bit over 10. Yeah, it's just cavitating. I don't know how well the camera picks that up. It just cavitates.
Alright, so this is currently how the paddleboard sits. Haven't done anything else to it yet, but if you guys want to see more on it, if you want to see me bump up the power and maybe throw on some more hydrodynamic pieces to actually put that power down, let me know, because this setup can definitely do it. If you guys want to see me go fishing on it or do anything else like that, let me know. I was kind of thinking about maybe taking my 125cc 2-stroke motor out of my bike and throwing it in this thing. That way I could have like a shifter paddleboard. I thought that could be cool. That probably just depends on how much you guys like this video, whether or not I'll do it. But yeah, just let me know what you guys would like to see in the future for all this. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, I do plan on doing many more like it. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.